Imagine owning a car and never getting it serviced or tuned. You just wouldn't do it. This is happening with almost all buildings. If you're not continually tuning the building, it starts to degenerate. Fans are left running when you don't need them to, valves get stuck, systems start to fight each other. It's a bit like going on holiday and leaving your aircon and heating systems run. It's going to hit you in the pocket. It's much the same for large buildings. Costs and emissions continually go up, but on a much bigger scale.
Chances are your building is costing you tens of thousands of dollars in preventable energy waste each year, and you don't even know it. Inefficient building HVAC systems result in more than $400 million in wasted energy costs and 1 million tonnes of excess carbon emissions per year, the equivalent of more than 235,000 cars across New Zealand and Australia each year.
And that's why we developed BTune, to help reduce the costs and emissions that creep up over time.
This is done by combining our building scientists and engineers' expertise with leading-edge technology to analyse the big data that your building is already generating. For a standard 10,000 square metre commercial building, lifetime savings exceed $600,000, but this could be much, much more, depending on the type of building and its usage. Across a portfolio of buildings, lifetime savings can run into many millions.
This is how it works. We work with you to understand your building and how you want your building to operate, whether it's new or existing. We then establish a baseline of your building's performance and operation. We then come up with an action plan which tells you the big and little things and how you can reduce energy, cost and emissions. This can result in a saving of 10 or even up to 30% of your whole building energy consumption.
Our results are proven. For example, BTune has already helped a large university building save $45,000 a year and carbon emissions equivalent to 145 New Zealand homes. Our outcome-based pricing model reflects our confidence. If we don't get results and save you energy costs, we don't get paid. BTune is backed by Becca, meaning we have years of experience in building engineering across New Zealand and Australia behind us. We have an incredibly deep understanding of the unique built environments in these countries, which, with regards to energy use, is fundamentally different from most buildings in Europe and the US. For this reason, data-driven tools developed for other regions seldom achieve the promised levels of savings, and at the speed that we can. From the energy cost savings made with BTune, you're saving money, and that can be reinvested elsewhere.
You're reducing your carbon footprint, and you're making your building a better place to be. And to top it all off, there are even grants to help you do BTune.
Contact us to learn more about how you can dramatically cut your energy costs, reduce your carbon footprint, and improve the comfort of building users, and become part of the solution to tackle climate change.